In this video, we are going to look at how to request a quote for a Grifform custom vanity top. The first option, which should be specified, is your vanity top's outside dimensions. While going about creating a custom vanity top, keep your eye out for the Watch Video button, which will prompt and inform you on more information of the custom offering. When inputting your dimensions, you may consider where your top's front edges will be located, as well as your different backsplash locations. Upon specifying your product's dimensions, you can select your product top materials color and solid surface manufacturer. Grifform offers integrated options with DuPont's Corian and LX Housey's Hymac material. Below this, you will need to next specify your backsplash style and backsplash locations. These backsplash locations will need to be determined by the wall abutting sides of your top. Once your top's backsplash locations have been specified, you can specify your top's edge treatments, including your front edges and your backsplash edge options. Once these various top specifications have been made, you can move to the sink selection section. Here you'll be able to specify whether you're wanting a custom sink or a standard sink, as well as specify a color for that sink. If you have selected a custom sink, you can now input your custom sink dimensions and select a sink depth. Remember, custom sinks are significantly more costly than standard sink options. From here, you can move down to specifying a sink's quantity as well as your exact sink locations. The next will be your top's fossil hole cutout options. These will be placed directly behind your sink to the specified measurements. Next, you can choose to view and add on any additional accessories, including sink overflows or pop-up drains. Next, you can move down to the information area. From here, you can input your information and send your quotation specifications to us. Typically, we will respond within 2 business days with a quotation estimate. Once you have received a quotation estimate from us, if you choose to move forward, you can contact us and establish payment arrangements. After this, we will send you approval drawings which will detail your product's exact specifications. These drawings will need to be signed off by you before we begin manufacturing.